Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. In the series of NLU vacancies, today we have come up with a new NLU called WBNUJS Kolkata. So recently it has released the notification for vacant seats. Let's look into the details, how to apply and where to apply. So for your convenience, simply type NLU Vacancies 2026. A dedicated page from Abhyaas LawPrep will be open. If you click on the link, it will be taken you to the dedicated page of vacancies where you will find the list of all the NLUs which has released its notification for vacancies. So here you can see WBNUJS Kolkata. It has released total number of seats under general under 3, SC1, ST1. We will go into the details of that. It is beyond this. So click on the link, apply here. It will be taken you to the Google form where you can fill all the data. And so link. So it has given a link, the steps, SBI collect. From here you can shift to the redirect to the other stages. So what are the details of this? So there are total 12 seats available in this West Bengal NUJS. So the last date is June 15 and the result will be declared on June 18. So application fee will be 2,500 for all the categories. So what are the seats available? Look at the seat matrix. For BA LLB, under All India General category, you have 3 seats. West Bengal Domicile category, you have 2 seats. And All India Scheduled Caste category 1. West Bengal Domicile Scheduled Caste 1. And All India Scheduled Tribes 1. So there are under BA LLB, these are the number of seats, and for remaining categories, as of now, seats are not available. But if any seats arises in the future, no notification will be given. So you have to fill it in the first step now itself. So under BSc LLB program, the next program, under BSc LLB, so All India level general category, you have 3 vacancies, and West Bengal general category, no vacancy. All India scheduled caste category, you have 1 vacancy. Total 4 vacancies under BSc LLB and remaining 8 vacancies under BA LLB. So whether you have seat available under your category or not, if you apply it now, in future if any vacancies arises, your candidature will be considered. So no other data, no other notification will be given. So don't be late. So you can apply before June 15 through the link available in the portal through SBI Collect channel so that your candidature will be registered. So for more updates, please follow Abhyaas LawPrep so that whenever an NLU releases a notification, we will update it immediately. Thank you.